Servitec Foraco is a reference in geological survey services in Brazil. With over 20 years' experience in the market, it operates in all regions of the country, in partnership with leading companies in the segment, seeking to stand out in Brazil's economic growth. Year after year, it constantly seeks modernization and excellence in drilling activities. Its job is to extract mineral samples from the soil, with safety for workers and respect for the environment. From the state of Goiás, central Brazil, its strategic location allows it to meet its clients' demands with agility and ease, even in the most adverse conditions and in the most isolated places. Commitment, integrity, safety, these are all values that guide them. Clients come to Servitec Foraco because they know its history, its culture, and its reputation. The company has headquarters located in Crixás and Goiânia, Goiás, from where it has a complete overview of the business and ensures the pace and sustainability of the day-to-day operation.
Olha, eu acho que esse comprometimento que a gente tem com a mineradora, com suas necessidades, vem da nossa própria cultura. E logo a gente percebeu a importância da prestação de um serviço diferenciado para as mineradoras. Então, desde o nosso início, nosso primeiro momento, e de forma ininterrupta, sempre procuramos mostrar, apresentar um trabalho de qualidade, com respeito às questões de segurança do trabalho, de meio ambiente e de cronograma. Para nós isso começou assim, é assim até hoje e isso jamais vai ser abandonado por essa companhia.
Servitec Foraco is committed to providing efficient, reliable, fuel-efficient equipment that meets all operating standards.
A Servitec Foraco iniciou suas operações em Crixás, interior de Goiás, em janeiro de 2000. Começamos aí pequenininhos, com 2 sondas, depois 3 sondas. A demanda, a mineração começou assim, a crescer e em poucos anos, em 8, 10 anos, a gente já era a segunda maior companhia de sondagem do Brasil. E desde então a gente também não parou de investir em novas tecnologias, em treinamento e qualificação cada vez mais do pessoal. E assim estamos nessa trajetória desde então.
Always up to date with new technologies, the company guarantees the best results. In 2019, in the state of Minas Gerais, Servitec Foraco drilled deep directional holes underground, achieving astonishing results in depths in excess of 1,000 meters and with over 25 deviations. Its decades of expertise in geological drilling has enabled the company to improve its operations while also providing the best safety conditions for its employees. By the way, one of the main characteristics of the company is the attention given to its group of employees. They believe in the professional growth of each member of the team, so they provide regular training courses and workshops. With a highly trained team and hundreds of successful projects, Servitec Foraco has earned the trust of its partners in over 2 decades of activities. And now, we are part of a network present in 5 continents of the world.
A Servitec Foraco, ela faz parte do Grupo Foraco Internacional. Essa parceria propicia troca de experiências, viagens internacionais e elas são importantes porque a gente sempre acaba, nesse sentido, vendo assim, melhorias e inovações que o pessoal introduz lá e a gente acaba trazendo isso para o Brasil. Isso melhora demais nossa posição no mercado, qualidade do serviço prestado.
So we continue to grow solidly and reliably in a world that is constantly changing, but where there is still a lot to explore.